you want to bring me a letter you know? Q. Let's see, what do you want to show me? Where's the T? T. Look for the T. T, good, where's the F?
Now, if you two clowns will excuse
F.
me,
Where is it?
beg for my job back.
F. Good, Eli. Where's the Z?
D.
Z, good. Where's the Y? Almost. No, that's not it. Where's the Y? Where's the where's the S? S. What's that, Eli? What's this? Alright, good. What's this?
E.
E, good. What's this?
O.
Oh, good. What's this?
O.
Say it again.
O.
Alright, good. What's this?
O.
Oh, good. What is this?
O.
Okay, and what's this?
B.
B, good. Where is the M for mama? Good.
W.
Where's the A for, oh, you already showed me the A. Where's the H? Wait, what do you see there?
M.
What is that? K. And what's this?
A.
Whose name starts with that?
T.
Whose name starts with this?
A.
J.
J.
J for?
Dash.
Josh, good. Say bye-bye. Say bye to the camera.
Bye.